Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with the January 2020 Boxycharm, first Boxycharm of the year. I got this last week and I was a little surprised that it came in a regular brown box instead of the black Boxycharm box. When I got home, it was sitting, my husband had gotten the mail and it was sitting on the table and I was like, what is this? What did I order? And it said Boxycharm and I'm like, why is it in a regular brown box? And this is what it looked like. I'll put a picture here. So I don't know if maybe the box was, destroyed or damaged and the post office, put it in a different box, which I'm gonna assume that was true because the label was cut off of the black box and then they taped it onto the brown box. So, well, at least they did put it in another box. So the box had to be really destroyed for them to do so, because look at the card. The card is beat up. So I'm sure the box was also beat up, but everything was in good condition. So that's good. But this is the card and it says breaking the ice. And these are the products, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into what came in this month's box. I'm gonna start with this. This is a Cnutbutrbeauty lip whip. I've had Cnutbutrbeauty stuff before, but I used to get it in Ipsy when I got Ipsy bags. So this is the first time I think I've seen it in Boxycharm, but this color is not my color. This is way too light for me, but this is their lip whip in the color Dream. Thought it was a lipstick at first, but it's a liquid lipstick. It's a nudie color, not my color. This retails for $21. I'm not going to swatch it because we're gonna put it in a giveaway coming up soon. But it says it is a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that won't dry out your lips. So I've had, again, other Cnutbutrbeauty things, but I think I had a blush and a eyeshadow, and those were fine. So I've never tried their lip products, but this is gonna go into a giveaway. But this was from Cnutbutrbeauty, and this is their lip whip in Dream. Next we have the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, and this is a lightweight concealer, and this is in the color Middle Ground. This retails for $25. I had a sample of this. I think we got a sample of the Pretty Vulgar concealers a few boxes back, and I just opened mine and started to use it. And this is the little sample. You have 4 different ones. The one was too light, one was too deep, and the other one was really deep. I could use for cream contour if I cream contour, but I don't. But this is the same color in Middle Ground. This is the sample, and this is what's in here. This is darker than this. Why? I don't know. That's just weird because they're the same, supposedly the same color. This one is a lot lighter. I've been using this one because I want to use up the sample. I mix it with my other concealers because I need something with a little bit more coverage. And it works okay. It does crease a little bit on me. Even when I mix it with other things, but I want to use it up because I had the sample and I wanted to try it. But I was just very confused as to why the sample color is darker than the tube color. So I'm gonna try using this one and see if that makes any difference, but these are supposedly the same color. But it's a doe foot applicator, and it's like the ballerina doe foot applicator. But I will try it and see. I might mix it with something else. I mixed it with my Maybelline Age Rewind, and it creased it a little bit. My Age Rewind doesn't usually crease, so I'm gonna try mixing it with my e.l.f. and maybe my Tarte and see if it does anything different. But so far I'm not a fan of it. It says that is an undercover concealer. It's lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish infused with vitamin E and a long word that I cannot pronounce. I will put it on the screen here. To keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. So again, we'll try it and see. I can't use it alone because it creased even with my other concealers. So we'll see how it goes. But this again is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is their undercover concealer. Next, I have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and this retails for $22. And you see it's still in the little package, which I think was really sweet that they put it in a package. And then open it up and take her out. And she's in a nice glass bottle, and it comes with the little pamphlet here to tell you what you need to know about it and how to use it. And it says, radiant petal soft skin is just a dream away. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and AHA to hydrate and smooth skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft result. And we will see, because I do like masks. And I have used the Dr. Jart one, which was really good. Dr. Jart or Dr. Brandt, one of those. And then I am using the Laneige sleeping mask. How do you get this off of here? Come on. There she goes. And that's what she looks like. I love this container. It's really cute. It smells like watermelon candy. And it's, see it there, it's like a little serum. It's not jelly like or anything like that. See how she looks, and we'll see how she absorbs. It's nice. It's not sticky. My hand feels soft. Smells lightly of watermelon. Is not overpowering. Really nice. So we will be trying this out. Oop. And again, this retails for $22. This will last me for a long time because I do mask every other day, but I don't use the same kind of mask every time. So this will last me for quite a bit. And on the card it says, it is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. So I will let you know. And again, I am currently using this sample that I got from Sephora, the Laneige water sleeping mask, which I have been enjoying, and then also the Dr. Brandt. It's the Dr. Brandt one as well. But we got this wonderful Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This item from Skin & Co. Roma. This is the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I have already used this. It's a face scrub. It's very good. It reminds me of the one from St. Ives, which I use, the apricot one. It reminds me of this, but this one isn't as rough. I like the St. Ives one because it's really rough and it gets those dead skin cells, that dead skin off from around your nose, especially in like your laugh lines and smile lines. It really gets in there and gets that dead skin off. This reminds me of that, but it's just not as gritty. This retails for $28. It says it is a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. It says it's truffle. It smells more like almond, because I think it says it has almond in it. It smells more like almond, just so you can see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like, and it's just a scrub, exfoliator, and it feels more of a polish to me, because polishes I think have smaller granules, and then scrubs have bigger granules, and this is more like a polish to me. And it smells like almond extract. It says truffle, but it smells more like almond extract to me. But it says that the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. So let's see what it says. It has in it the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, which is what I smell, gentle apricot seed powder, which is the grittiness, and it's a finer powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of super oxide dismutus. I can't pronounce that word either. I will put it here. A powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So it's always good to have a nice face scrub. Again, I exfoliate every time I'm in the shower. I exfoliate. I use the St. Ives one, so this will go in my shower next. But this is from Skin & Co. Roma, and this is the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. This lovely palette from Ace Beauté. And this is their eyeshadow palette. This is the Scarlet Dusk palette. I have the Grandiose palette. I really enjoy that. So I'm going to see if I will enjoy this one as well. This retails for $34.99. And it has 12 colors. It says reminiscent of beautiful sunsets and sunrises witnessed at various locations around the world. Their packaging is always very beautiful, and it's nice and it's thin, so it'd be great for traveling. Take the plastic off, and this is what she looks like. She's very pretty, very pretty. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers, and the rest are mattes, which I can appreciate. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch these and see how the swatches look. And swatches by no mean, will translate the same on the eyes, but it'll kind of give us an idea. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch her and see how she goes. Okay, so we have Sunset Rose, which is, it's more of it reminds me more of a caramel color. It's more of a caramel. And then we have Crimson, which is a reddy orange. We have Shade, which is a terracotta brown. And then we have Nocturnal, which is, it's like a brown with a little bit of a purple in there. So that's the first row. Oh, we have Aruba, which is like a peachy, champagne color. Then we have Hibiscus, which is a beautiful shimmery orange. We have Lotus, which is a dusty mauve rose. And then we have Bahamas, which is a a raspberry. And then the last row we have Maui, which is a pink. Pink moon, it's a pinky matte. More of a salmon color. Aurora, which is more of a, it's a shimmery raspberry. And then Sangria, which is more of a berry. And that's the last row, and they swatch beautifully. They don't have a lot of kick up in the pan, so you can see. There's not a lot of kick up in the pan from swatching them. I'm going to love trying this out, and I'm glad I'm able to add it to my collection. I did do a declutter. I got rid of a lot of older stuff that I wasn't using, and I brought in a whole bunch of new things to try out. So make sure you do check out my video for my holiday haul so you can see some of the new things that I bought that I added to my collection. But this here is the Scarlet Dusk palette that we received from Ace Beauté. Okay, so these are the items that I received in my first Boxycharm of the year 2020 January. I am excited about quite a lot of these items. I've tried two of them, and one I was happy with, the other one I'm still gonna have to play with, and then one going into a giveaway. So again, make sure that you check out my previous video to show my haul from the holidays. I would love for you to see what I picked up. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm for January 2020, and if you were happy with the items, and if not, let me know. I appreciate you all. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Look out for the giveaway that will be coming in the next week or so. And I do appreciate your time. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.